about what's new in Adobe After Effects 2022, shall we? Go up here to the little gift icon, and you'll notice get more out of After Effects. So, multi-frame rendering, so accelerate your creativity from faster previews to export and utilize new features that help optimize your workflow, okay? 3D design space, navigate and design in 3D space better and faster than ever with new mode that offers intuitive controls. Very cool. Rotoscoping 2, separate a subject from its scene more quickly and accelerate. Powered by Sensei, this feature selects and tracks the subject frame by frame to isolate it. Okay, very important in compositing to work frame by frame. Tapered shape strokes, create wavy, pointy, or rounded strokes on shape layers and animate the appearance of strokes to create unique graphic elements. Very cool. You can see how you can kind of maneuver the stroke. Think of a stroke as a line, okay? And you see how they manipulate the lines here, and then they're creating like a flower effect. And it's cool that they have preview videos too. Content-aware fill for video, cleanly remove unwanted elements from boom mics to distracting signs and even people in one step. And spare yourself hours of painstaking work using the painter tool, trying to erase all this stuff. Thank you, Adobe, for making this easier. Essential properties, reuse the same composition without the repetitive work. Control layer properties such as position, scale, color, or text across nested comps right in your timeline. Basically make a template of your layers so you don't have to keep doing the same adjusting all the time if you want to have a certain property set up. Motion graphics templates, share compositions while maintaining stylistic control, author templates here and reuse them in Premiere Pro, and collaborate with libraries. Templates save so much time. I cannot tell you how important that is to understand that motion graphic templates make your life easier. Okay, I use it myself when I create promo videos for all my courses. I create a template in Premiere Pro and in After Effects for that. So there you go. I'm going to hit done. So that's what's new in After Effects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.